Honda HRC's Tim Gajser has undergone surgery on his shoulder that was injured in the Switzerland round at the 21st of April, the Frauenfeld circuit. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. Probably am, but correct me there. Initially, it wasn't showing as such a serious injury, but apparently they tried to do some physiotherapy to get him back racing, and well, it was deemed that surgery was the best option. Now, unfortunately, this means that Geiser's title aspirations are done. I mean, after the surgery means he's missing, well, he missed the last round. He's going to miss who knows how many more with that. And then the healing process and just getting back to racing basically means it's over, which really sucks considering he podiumed the first 6 rounds, winning 3 of them, and he had like a 50-point lead going into the last round. So kind of really sucks actually when you think how well the beginning of this year, this season, whatever you want to call it, how good it was going. So now we'd be sitting out on silent for at least a couple of weeks, and it's one of those things. I mean, as soon as you get injured, you miss a round, you miss maybe 2, your title is basically over, especially when you consider it's 2 rounds of 25. And then somebody told me there's points for the qualifying too. So you're losing at least, 60 rounds per weekend like that? It's just a massive swing. Even if you miss 1, much less more than 1. And we do have a quote from him saying, "I am bitterly disappointed to have needed surgery, which effectively rules out any chance I have of the title this year. There isn't a set recovery timetable for this, but I'll be missing a number of rounds, and even when I return, it'll take some time to get back up to speed. My focus now, though, is to do everything I need to do to get fit and healthy and back to being 100%, and we'll just take it from there. I felt so good this season, and I think that showed in my results and how comfortably I was leading the championship, but this is motocross and anything can happen at any moment, unfortunately. A big thanks to everyone at Honda HRC for all their work, and to all my fans around the world who support me. I hope to see everyone at the races later this year." And it is. I mean, you have a 50-point lead after 6 rounds. You've podium every single one. You're winning a bunch of them. It really is just, hey, I'm dominating this year. I'm going to win this title unless something happens. And sadly, something happened, and it's the end of it. I don't know. I try and watch as much as I can of MXGP. It's kind of a little hard to find over here sometimes, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you watch MXGP? Are you just an American motocross fan? Are you excited for outdoors? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.